Samsung is back again with a new entry in its budget lineup, the Samsung Galaxy A07. Released in January 2026, this device comes with a large display, a massive battery, and 5G connectivity, making it an interesting option for users looking for a reliable smartphone without breaking the bank. But how well does it perform in daily use? Let's take a closer look. Starting with the design, the Galaxy A07 features a clean and modern look. It uses a glass front combined with a plastic back and plastic frame, which is quite standard for this price range. The phone feels solid in hand, weighing around 199 grams and has a thickness of just 8.2 millimeters, making it relatively comfortable to hold. It also comes with dual nano SIM support and an IP54 rating, meaning it has basic protection against dust and water splashes. While it's not fully waterproof, this added durability is definitely a plus. Moving to the display, the Galaxy A07 comes with a large 6.7-inch PLS LCD panel. The screen supports a 120 Hz refresh rate, delivering smoother scrolling and transitions compared to standard displays. However, the resolution is 720 by 1600 pixels, which might not be the sharpest in its class. Despite that, the display still offers decent brightness levels, reaching up to 800 nits in high brightness mode, making it usable even under direct sunlight. Under the hood, the Galaxy A07 is powered by the MediaTek Dimensity 6300 chipset, built on a 6-nanometer process. It features an octa-core CPU with Cortex A76 and Cortex A55 cores, paired with a Mali G57 MC2 GPU. This setup is suitable for everyday tasks such as browsing, social media, and light gaming. It may not be designed for heavy gaming, but it can still handle casual games fairly well. In terms of memory, the Galaxy A07 comes in multiple configurations, including 4 GB and 6 GB of RAM, paired with 64 GB or 128 GB of internal storage. This allows users to choose according to their needs, whether for basic usage or slightly heavier multitasking. Additionally, the phone supports micro SDXC expansion using a shared SIM slot, giving extra flexibility for storing photos, videos, and apps. On the software side, the phone runs Android 16 with Samsung's One UI 8, and it is promised to receive up to 6 major Android upgrades, which is quite impressive for a device in this segment. In the camera department, the Galaxy A07 is equipped with a 50-megapixel main camera with an f1.8 aperture and PDAF for faster focusing. This camera is capable of capturing decent photos in good lighting conditions, with fairly accurate colors and acceptable detail. For video, it supports recording at 1080p at 30 or 60 frames per second. On the front, there is an 8-megapixel selfie camera, which is sufficient for video calls and social media use, although it may struggle a bit in low light conditions. One of the standout features of the Galaxy A07 is its massive 6,000 mAh battery. This large capacity allows the phone to easily last a full day, or even more, depending on usage. Charging is supported at 25 watts via a wired connection, which is decent but not the fastest. Still, considering the battery size, it offers a balanced charging experience. In terms of connectivity, the Galaxy A07 supports GSM, HSPA, LTE, and 5G networks, ensuring fast and stable internet access. It also includes Wi-Fi dual-band, Bluetooth 5.3, GPS with multiple satellite systems, and a USB Type-C port. However, it does not include NFC, which might be a downside for some users. Additional features include a side-mounted fingerprint sensor, as well as essential sensors like accelerometer, gyro, proximity, and compass. Overall, the Samsung Galaxy A07 offers a solid combination of essential features, including a large display, long battery life, and reliable performance for daily use. While it has some limitations, such as its display resolution and lack of NFC, it still stands as a practical choice in the budget smartphone segment. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe for more tech content. See you in the next video.